Hey everybody, I'm back again today with a whole nother video, and today we are going to be opening February's Kawaii box. And I have heard tales that this Kawaii box is themed Valentine's Day, and I'm so excited. This was such a surprise. I was not expecting this in the box. I thought my uncle had just gotten me one subscription box, like, you know, just one. But apparently he bought me a whole subscription, like the shebang. I don't know how much, like how many months worth. But apparently he got me more than just one, and I'm happy. I will be happy. It's just the last one. I am so happy. So I just thank you so much. I'm so astounded. I have no idea what to say. Just a thank you. He got me it for Christmas. If you guys just know the backstory, watch my last Kawaii box opening video. It will be linked down in the description box below if you would like to watch it. I'm just so surprised and happy to get this, and I'm so just ecstatic. Okay, ecstatic. So today we're going to be opening the Kawaii box. I've already cut off the tape and everything, so we can get to opening it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let's just open it. And the box is always Kawaii as usual. Ooh, I can already tell this is going to be good. Peel back the wrapping, and I like to keep the wrapping and everything just so I can use it in like my pen pal videos and everything. So let me just pull this off. So Kawaii box, Kawaii Valentine's Day. So the theme is Valentine's Day, and back here you can see all the featured. I can only dream of being in the featured bit. I'm going to try though. I'm going to try really hard. Okay, so let me just set this aside. Now, I'm not going to look in the inside of this because I don't want you guys to see it and get spoiled. Or I don't want. So, surprise! My phone died. So, if you would like to purchase your own Kawaii box, I will leave a link down in the description below. But let's get right into this box. So, the first thing I see... Oh, this looks like food. Ooh, I'm so excited. Is this Sooo pan, which I'm guessing is due to the pink thing. Sooo pan, and it looks like strawberry flavored biscuits. Like the little chocolate biscuits. These look absolutely adorable and so yummy. So let me just open these up. Oh, I hate opening this package. It's so freaking pretty. Guys, it's adorable. I don't know if my camera's picking up how foily the package looks, but it's real cute. So let me just open this up. Oh, this is what they look like. Really cute. Oh my gosh, you can smell the strawberry just wafting out. Let's see. Not gonna lie, these are pretty dang good. If you like strawberry, these are definitely for you. These are really, really good. On the lighter pink, you get like a light strawberry flavor, but then when you get to the darker pink, the strawberry just hits you, and it's so good. I personally am a massive fan of strawberry, and this is just absolutely amazing. I love it so much. Just set that off to the side. Oh, I hate that I'm going to keep that packaging possibly. I really like it. Now, since you guys can already see, I think these are little chocolate biscuit treats, but they're very, very good. I see a squishy, so I'm just going to pick it up. Here is a little pink heart squishy. Just give it a little squeeze in the package. And I'll take it out. It's got sprinkles on it, so I don't want to squeeze it too much, or else those things will just come off. The white beads aren't even sprinkles, they're foam beads. So let's try and, oh well, I don't want to rip this out, so we'll just do a little squish here. Once again, it's not really like one of those one squishies, it's more of one of those Play-Doh feeling squishies. Super soft and cute. Now, last squishy I got was very similar to this one in its texture. This was the last squishy I got. Very, very cute, and they're both almost about the same amount of slow risingness. This is an onsen bun, I do believe, but this is very, very cute, and I love pink. Pastel pink is one of my top colors, if not my favorite color. I'm a huge pink fan. So let's move on to the next. This will definitely be going on my bag. Grab this This is very cute. It's a lavender heart trinket box, I do believe. It's plastic, a rather flimsy plastic, but it's very adorable. Let's just open it up. Did I just break it? Kawaii box? So apparently this thing is very, very freaking flimsy. Let me just clip this back on here. So apparently this thing is very, very flimsy. Super flimsy. So when you open it, you're gonna want to do that. I may contact Kawaii Box about this and see if I can get something done. I can tell if I ever drop this, it's probably going to die. Moving on, I can see this adorable freaking pen here. It's got a little candy chain on it, and as you can see, it's got a little wrapped bead on the inside of this clear hard plastic or resin or some kind of epoxy. But it's very nice, and it's a very fine point pen. Oh wait, no, it's a lead pencil. It is by Candy Sweet. Very cute and pretty. This is some type of glitter. It's for nail art and crafts, and as you can see, it's got a bunch of different types of glitter. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus better. It's got some chunky heart glitter, some basic pure grinded glitter, and some big jewels. So that's very nice and cute. It's for DIYs and such. Now, Kawaii Box recently started putting extra gifts from their warehouse, something randomly selected in each box. So this is the extra gift. That's very nice of them. I like that. Here is an ID card holder, or whatever you want to call it. It's very cute, pink. I'm really loving this box, actually. I'm a massive fan of pink in Valentine's Day thing. So I got a very secure clip, and I think I'll be putting my permit in here, or my license when I finally get it. It's very cute. I wonder how you slide stuff inside of it. I hope I don't break something else, honestly. If I do, I'll cry. Super cute. I don't believe I broke this. It's just that it's kind of cheap. I'm not gonna lie. I don't want to lie to you guys. I think it's kind of cheap. I got 2 of these? Well, I don't know if I was supposed to receive 2 of these or if it was a mistake. I'll have to look in the pamphlet. But I got 2 of these. Super, really freaking cute, and I love them a lot. One of these are definitely going to go in my bag. Glitter shaker charms, heart charms. It's got beautiful pink iridescent unicorn skin glitter, or whatever you want to call it. And these chunky little bottles right here. I don't want to pull on it too much. I think you can open them. No, they're glued down. Good. So they're just little shaker charms. Super cute. I think they're both the exact same. I don't know if this was an accident or if it was purposeful. After the video is over, I will take a look inside the pamphlet and show you guys. But super cute, and I'm so happy I got 2 of these, actually. They're very adorable. I love them. Here is what I am most excited about. These freaking socks. Sanrio socks, size 22 to 25 centimeter. I got Hello Kitty, but some people got My Melody, and I really wish I got My Melody, but Hello Kitty is just as good almost. I freaking love Sanrio so much and Hello Kitty, and these are pretty soft. They feel like those butter socks or whatever you want to call them. They're really cute, and on the other side, it just has the licensing. There's Hello Kitty with her little bear. They don't really have a scent to them or anything. Not that they should have a scent. I was just saying that they smell like chemicals really bad. But yeah, some beautiful, soft Sanrio socks. And I can tell I'm going to be wearing these a lot. They're very cute. And I hope to get more socks and plushies in the future. These are made in Korea. And they're just really freaking cute. And I don't know if they're actual licensed or not. That doesn't bother me if they aren't. But if that does bother you, then you can do some research or whatever. But yeah. These are really adorable and some of my favorite colors. And I love Hello Kitty a lot. Ooh, let's grab these stickers. Next are these pearlescent looking stickers from Creamy Dream. They're very, very cute. And I can tell I'm going to be using these for my pen pals. They're so cute. I love the cat and just how pearlescent-y. And all their shapes, and there's macaroons, there's tons of sweets. And once I use all the stickers, I can tell I'll be using this backboard for something. Very cute. Now onto one of the things I am most excited about, and the last thing is, I thought this was ceramic, but it's not. It's just a type of hard plastic. It is a Kitty and Mimi. Kitty and her twin sister Mimi are the best of friends. It's Hello Kitty 40th anniversary or birthday, whatever you want to call it, I guess, suppose. But back here is all the stuff, and it's got this little scuff on it. Nope, it's actually a scuff. Oh well. But this is really cute. I don't know what I'll use this for just yet, but I can tell I will be using it. So, it doesn't say if I was supposed to get 2 shaker hearts. I don't know if I was missing something and they just gave me that. But I really wish I would have got the Pom Pom Purin. It says Hello Kitty is celebrating her 40th anniversary by giving hugs to her dear and real friends. They're even using matching outfits. I really wish I would have got the Pom Pom Purin in my Melanie socks, but I still love what I did get. I'm not missing anything, so I think they included 2 shakers by accident. But I'm not going to complain because I really, really liked it. Kawaii boxes unboxing. I'm really excited, and I really hope you guys enjoyed February's Kawaii unboxing. I'm hoping to get Yumi Twins and Doki Doki crates very soon. And if you guys would like to see more unboxing of the Kawaii box, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below saying, hey, I like Kawaii box, just so that I know. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and check out the description box below for all my social medias. I'm doing commissions on my Instagram, so make sure you go check that out. I like to say I'm pretty good at art, and I'm doing them dirt cheap since I'm just starting out. But yeah, I really love Kawaii box. I think it was really cute. But this box, I don't know, something about it. But I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!